Hey guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and as promised, here is my iOS 5.1 unlock video for the iPhone 4S, iPhone 4, and the iPhone 3GS without the original SIM card. Now, of course, this unlock will work with any Verizon or Sprint iPhone 4S, of course AT&T also. It will not work, however, with the iPhone 4 CDMA, which is for Sprint or Verizon, because they don't even have a SIM card slot, so of course that wouldn't be compatible. Yes, this will work with the 3GS with the new baseband that was upgraded by Toshiba, meaning you have the serial code 135 plus. It will work with that version of the 3GS. And yes, of course, this will work with any international carrier, of course, like Tmobile or Tmobile here in the United States. It will work with any GSM SIM card, and this will work if you reboot your phone. It's a completely free unlock. You don't need to pay any kind of money for it. All you need is your iPhone, of course, for it to be jailbroken. If you haven't jailbroken yet, click on this annotation right here. It'll take you to my jailbreak. All we're going to be doing is going into Cydia, installing something, and of course having our SIM card, which we want to unlock to, ready. Now in this video, of course, I'll be showing you guys how to unlock without the carrier SIM card, and there are two ways of doing it, so I'll show you guys both just to make it foolproof and of course raise your chances of unlocking your iPhone. But some of you guys may still have invalid SIM errors, and I did also have that on my iPhone. The only way I fixed it was by restoring it in iTunes, then installing SAM again, like I'll show you in just a second, and that fixed all the errors. But the first thing you guys want to do is go ahead and open up Cydia. Next thing you want to do is go into Manage, Sources, Edit Add, and we're going to add the following source, repo.bingner.com, and go ahead and add source. Now I already added it. Once it's done, you're going to see repo.bingner.com and click inside, and here SAM, you're going to want to install that, so go ahead and install that. It'll ask you to respring, and once you've resprung on your springboard, you will see SAM prefs. If you don't see it on your springboard, go into settings, scroll down, and it's right here. So once you're inside of here, we're going to go into utilities, and we're going to go ahead and deactivate iPhone. Okay, now before we begin, you want to make sure you remove your SIM card from the inside of your iPhone, so go ahead and do that. And as you can see, this is a T-Mobile SIM card, no Jevi SIM, working perfectly on my iPhone 4 iOS 5.1 with a 4.12.01 baseband. Now what I'm going to do real quick is go ahead and reactivate my iPhone on AT&T's network, because it is already unlocked and I need to start fresh, of course, in order to show you guys how to unlock. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. And there you go, my iPhone is now running on AT&T's network like it was originally. I could show you general about, there you go, AT&T on 5.1 with a new baseband. So now we're going to head over to SAM. Inside you want to enable SAM, go to method, and make sure auto detect is selected. This is the method you're going to use for any international SIM card, of course here in America too. But you want to go back and go to utilities and attempt activation. Yes, this will end in failure. For some of you, your screen will go black and you will respring, and that'll work too. But you want to go back, more information, and now you have this IMSI number that you want to copy. So select all, copy, and we're going to go back, and now you can go ahead and insert your SIM card that you will be unlocking to. In my case, T-Mobile, so go ahead and insert that. Now go ahead and select more information. Inside of here you will see these numbers, meaning SAM can read your SIM card, which is good. So go back, and now we're going to go to method again, select by country and carrier this time, and now select the carrier you will be unlocking to, meaning the carrier of the SIM card which is inside your iPhone right now. In my case, T-Mobile. And if you can't find yours on the list, you're going to want to go to method and select auto detect. The only reason I'm not selecting it right now is because this method is more reliable, finding your own carrier and selecting it here. But now we're going to go to utilities. Actually, you're going to go to more information, and we're going to spoof real SIM to SAM. Okay, and now on the bottom IMSI slot, you want to select all and paste over the old IMSI that we just copied. Okay, now we're going to go back to utilities, attempt activation, and this could take a little bit. In my situation, 30 seconds, so give it a little bit and I'll be right back. And after you respring, give it about 2 to 3 minutes to find your service, 5 minutes max. Of course, you will go through no searching and searching, but be patient, set it down for 5 minutes, and once you come back, you will see that your iPhone is activated on your carrier, in my case T-Mobile, and it will be working perfectly. And yes, I do understand this method won't work for everybody. That's why in method 2, if you go down below in the description, there will be a link to my guide. I included custom IMSI numbers that you go into SAM, and you just paste them into the bottom IMSI slot and then go through the steps that I showed you. I just got them off of random SIM cards I found around my house from Verizon, Sprint, and AT&T of course. So definitely check that out if this method doesn't work for you. And you guys are now unlocked on your iPhone 4S, iPhone 4, or 3GS on iOS 5. Of course, please like this video, please favorite, comment, I will try to reply, and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the unlock, guys. Peace.